What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. So this is an exciting video for me because the house that I am currently standing in right here used to be the house that I lived in for the last year and a half, pretty much since I moved to Arizona. So this house has a lot of meaning to me, and this house is also getting a complete remodel renovation, which I am super excited about. As you guys can kind of see right now, we already got started on it. I plan to spend about, I want to give myself 60 days on this project just because this is over a $1 million, not renovation, but $1 million ARV. So I don't want to rush things on here. Everything that we're doing is actually going to be a little bit more luxurious than what we normally do on some of our other entry-level houses. So for those reasons, I want to take my time. Realistically, we can probably knock this out in about 45 days, but I want to give myself that extra 2 weeks to really come here every single day, every step of the way, and make sure everything's going smoothly on it. So today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a full walkthrough on basically what we plan on doing with it, and then I'll give you guys a tour of the house that I used to live at for the last year and a half. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to drop a like. As always, if you guys are looking for a house here in Arizona, I am a licensed real estate agent, or if you guys know of any people that are looking for cash offers on their property, email me down below as well, and we'd love to partner up with you guys. With that being said, let's get started, and we're just gonna go to the front door right now. This is so crazy to me because there's just so many memories at this house, and to see it getting like completely demoed right now is just so crazy to me. Oh my goodness. So this is it. I'm gonna wipe my camera real quick. My apologies on that. Hopefully it's a little bit cleaner. This is a 5,700 square foot, 2-story, 14,000 square foot lot with a beautiful pool in the backyard. Let's actually give you guys a backyard tour. Dang, sorry about that. This is the backyard, huge lot. It's looking pretty good. Pool's looking sharp as well. We're actually gonna spend about $1,800 to really clean up this pool. Coming up, and I think this week we're gonna remove all that staining, that calcium buildup and everything like that. We got all the tile ripped up. This is gonna be, I wanna say close to $7,000 in just demo, excuse me. The budget for this property is $150,000 conservative, so we're gonna try to stay well under that, but I did want to cushion a decent budget for this just because everything's gonna be higher end. It is a 8-bedroom property, I believe. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bedrooms. This is the primary bedroom. This is where I actually stayed. And I think the bedroom alone is at least 1,200 square feet. You got a standalone bathtub, dual sinks, and you have a beautiful shower with a waterfall, dual shower heads. One's a waterfall, little toilet room. And then check out this closet right here. Just the closet alone is freaking the size of a lot of people's bedrooms. My desk was over there in that corner. I had my bed right here. I love this room, obviously. I was very grateful for it, to be able to live in a room that big and just in general a house that big. Here's the kitchen. We plan on doing all new granite countertops. We're gonna do a waterfall on that side, just to try to push the comps as much as possible. The most recent comp in this neighborhood is a Motto Match, and it's sold for $1.46 million about 4 months ago. So we're gonna try our best to match that or beat that. One thing that house did not have was a back neighbor, so that's going to be a huge problem for some buyers. Is this patio, this bedroom door right here can just basically see into our backyard. That comp did not have that. It was like backed against a green belt or a canal. And then we're going to go upstairs right here with a nice loft. We are removing all the carpet, all the baseboards. We're going to repaint, paint the cabinets, get new hardware, obviously. Man, there was only 2 guys here yesterday and they did all this. Good for them. So that's what it looks like. We spent a lot of time in this loft. There used to be a ping pong table, air hockey table, foosball table. You got a little wet bar over there. Made some drinks over there every once in a while. Dang, crazy. Here are 2 bedrooms upstairs. And then the bathroom. And let's go to the final part of the house over here. We are, like I said, we're going to take care of all this. We're going to remove this tile as well. Get rid of all those handles, get some new ones. This is a movie room. So we're gonna paint it a little darker colors. We're gonna keep that honeycomb curtain, or honeycomb blind blackout shades. And we're gonna stage it like a movie room as it should be, because I don't know what else. You can probably flatten this out and just have it as a game room or something, but it was a really cool movie room. We spent a lot of time in there as well. And then the additional 3 bedrooms, one right here, which is still a lot of stuff in here. Holy moly. We need to get rid of that. The additional bathroom, another room, and then this is a cool little room right here because it has a little like nook over here, a little office area, which I thought was really cool. I never really had been in this room until everyone was out. We lived with at the end of it, we lived with 6 guys. So if you guys can imagine that, it was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed it. And that is the full tour. Oh man, crazy to see everything ripped up here, but that is it. $150,000 budget. We plan on listing it for $1.499 million, just under $1.5 million. My business partner bought this house 2018 for $827,000. So he's gonna have some good equity once we sell it. But it is gonna be a fun little project, stressful project. The good thing is a lot of these appliances we're keeping in because it's a newer build. I think this was built in 2016. So this is actually one of the newer houses that we're actually doing a full renovation on, because most of the time when it's built in 2016, there's not really a whole lot that you can do to it. But that's it, guys. Not really much else to talk about. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, drop a comment, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok as well. Everything, all the information you guys need to know is down in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tour.